Have you seen it? This is a church, a covenant church of God, located at Ubahokporo in Imo State, Olu LGA, where the zoo soldiers came to look for Eastern Security Network. They couldn't find them. This is the church. This is the name of the church. They come to look for ESN. They couldn't find them. They now burn everything. This is inside the church. They now burn everything. This is the handwork of the zoo security, so-called themselves army. This is how foolish they are. This is inside the church. They burn everything down. Both the church instruments, both the chairs, everything inside the church was burnt down. Have you seen it? This is the evidence. This is the devilish work of them, so-called themselves zoo. Have you seen it? This is it. Everywhere was burnt down. They stole the properties. They stole all the whole properties and the money inside the room. And they set everywhere ablaze. This is it. This is most inside the rooms. Everywhere was scattered. There is the building. This is it. Everywhere was burnt down. As it stands now, we don't have a house to live. We don't have any single property left behind. Everywhere was burnt down and scattered. Rahamadike, this is it. Have you seen it? We lost everything because of this struggle. We don't have even a house to stay. We don't have a shelter anymore. This is evidence. We are showing it to the whole world. because when we will start our own, everybody will know. Are you seeing it? This is inside the shop. Everything was looted and set ablaze. Everywhere was scattered. We want to show it to the world so that when we start, everybody will know. Everywhere was set ablaze because of this struggle. Can you see it? But the family vehicle was burnt down. This is inside the room. Everywhere was set ablaze. The whole properties was damaged. This is it. No single property remain. Can you see it?